Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add multiple accounts on your Instagram. Let's click on Instagram app, let's launch the app. Let's click on the lower right corner for a good start where you see the profile picture. When you're at your own profile, you want to hit the three straight lines on the top right corner. Click them, okay? Then when you have the pop-up menu, I want you to click on settings and privacy, the first option. Then I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, okay, and you will have the section that is called login. You want to click add account, okay. When you click add account, you will have two options. Option number one will be to log in into an existing accounts that you already had created, you have activity posts, whatever, okay. This simply means that you didn't save a multi-login function, which is available. You can actually save multiple different Facebook pages, Facebook accounts, and multiple Instagram pages and multiple Instagram accounts. You can set this later. The second option will be to create a brand new Instagram page. The pro tip over here is that whatever option you choose, you still have to input your credentials. You have to put a Gmail or email, and you gotta put a password. Simply because if I had a multiple Instagram pages over here, I will have a multiple different pages popping up and asking me which page would I like to add to multi-login settings, okay? This is very important, and guys, remember, you should always protect your personal data and be very mindful with it. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.